Soothe yourself with a drink infused with lots of flavor. This aromatic hot spiced tea is not just comforting, but it also boosts the immune system in the most delicious way. To make this drink, you would want to start by heating up some water in a pot. Once it's boiling, drop the black tea bags and let it brew for 5 minutes. Then, remove the bags and add in the granulated sugar, pineapple juice, lemon juice, orange juice, cinnamon stick, and whole cloves. Let it simmer for 10 minutes before removing the cinnamon stick and cloves. Pour it into mugs and serve with a slice of lemon. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.